And coming up to this Mercedes here, we're going to signal to the right nice and early, slow down, get his left taillight into the corner of my window there. Put it into reverse, steer all the way to your right, 360 check, walk it back until I have a slice of cake, pizza, birthday cake, roughly around there, maybe a little bit more. So I'll straighten the wheel back to center. Notice I'm stopped when I'm doing this. I look around, walk it back in a straight line until his left taillight is roughly there. I experiment with a quarter steer to the left, checking around. Notice I'm stopped when I add the first quarter or any quarter. I roll a little bit slowly on this first quarter, looking into this side mirror here. I feel like this is not going to get the job done, so I pause, I add my next quarter. I give this quarter a chance. Looks like it's not going to get the job done. I stop, I add my next quarter. And what I'm doing essentially is I'm experimenting with each quarter to see which one's going to get the job done. Once I find it, then I roll back slowly until I'm parallel with the curb. Notice how slow that park is, but that's the way you want to get it done. The examiner is not looking for a super fast park. They're looking for an accurate park and a safe park. And you can see now we're parked closer to this vehicle and we're a pretty good distance from the curb there as well. So that's how you go about a parallel park. Hopefully that helps.